guys, I'm at the Settlement Road level crossing in Thomastown. This is a 2-gate 5-signal crossing on the Mernda line, which is trains to Mernda. So signal we have here has an unmarked base, safe train gate mechanism, white with black writing, stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs and a Westinghouse cross arm, 2 check signs, standard cross spark, general signals E-bell, Wishbone gate 3 off gate lights. Now over here we have 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse cross arm, and on the CRB cantilever, 2 Westinghouse LEDs and a Westinghouse cross arm, standard cross spark and a pole cap. Okay, and on this signal here we have an unmarked base, safe train gate mechanism, white with black writing, stop on red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse cross arms, 2 check signs, standard cross spark, general signals E-bell, Wishbone gate 3 off gate lights. So this signal here has an unmarked base, white with black writing, stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs and a Westinghouse cross arm, a 2 check signs, standard cross spark and a pole cap. More than the gates there. Bad. God damn. I'm a little disorganized today. I'm gonna get whacked.